Hello, Professor Burrell, and anyone else who's going to see this. It's Tammy Decker. I'm using my new Screencastify technology one more time. And this is something I learned this semester, but I'm using it to look at my portfolio for the semester and give you an overview of everything we're seeing. So on the first page, and I have to just tell you, I have not slept in probably 2 days, so I may be a little talking. I just had to say that. Okay, so on the home page here, we're going to see a reflection, a top view sort of reflection of what I've learned over the semester. And then there's an introductory page about me, which we've seen in the past. So let's get on to the meat. First, there is the genre analysis, and this is where all of my general outcomes are. So it's a lengthy page. First, I have the sort of overview I did at the end of the semester, a general reflection. I talk about the TED Talk, the field guide, and the genre analysis, personal essay. This is just a photo, so there's a conclusion there, and you want to keep going. I just made it multimodal with photos. Here is where I have all the general genre outcomes analysis that tie directly to the to what we are supposed to come up with outcomes for this semester, for this course. Below that, I have a discussion post and comments on my work. I say in the initial reflection that I didn't keep drafts of my work. I should have looked at the portfolio assignment a lot earlier. I always just save the new draft, so I don't have really drafts, but hopefully some of the blog posts and comments will help see that I did indeed make several drafts. Moving on. The TED Talk mini genre was just a small assignment. I just posted what I said at the time and a comment on that work. The field guide, as you recall, we did a PowerPoint on this, so I simply copied the PowerPoint and pasted it here. And I think that's all that's on this. Yes. And then the personal essay, same thing. It's just the personal essay assignment I did, or the genre analysis assignment. So again, all the outcomes are on that first page. The research project is a tiny bit different. Most of the outcomes are on the general page that says overall outcomes. So again, I have a reflection, and I break it into the bibliography and the proposal. And then I talk about application to, I just noticed concurrent because this was going on during the semester, and then also future work. I told you I was tired. And then there's more. The proposal assignment questions. Still more. The outcomes. Still more. Oh, that's just multimedia. My discussion posts. And finally, comments on my discussion posts. And the annotated bibliography page is a little bit of both. It has the actual bibliography, and then it has my posts, which were many, little multimedia, and comments on my posts. The research project is what you saw. It's my Screencastify whatever that is. It's got a link to the actual website, and then I just simply posted the text as it was originally created. And that's it. So I'm turning this in early, so if I missed anything, because at this point I'm almost seeing diminishing returns as I work on it. Yeah, I've seen it too many times. I've worked on it too much. If I'm missing something, I'm truly missing it. But I'm turning this in early, so hopefully I get extra credit to help with that. And I'll stop there. I hope you have a great summer, and thank you for everything I was given this week. As you read what my future holds, a lot of it can be attributed to this class. So thank you very much.